Hey guys, welcome back. This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing ATM Profits. I have members area access, as you can see down here. We're going to look and see how it can help you. This is being launched by John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. John is a friend of mine and I really like this product. It is really loaded with information about how to make consistent money with affiliate marketing. We're going to look at all the different modules and all the lessons inside. We're going to look at my bonuses that are custom tailored for this along with their bonuses as well. So let's not waste any more time. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. So like I said, ATM Profits, we've got the members area access here, and stay with me till the end. I have an extra treat. If you do decide to get it with my link, I have an extra bonus for you. Now guys, ATM Profits is going live on Wednesday, December 14th, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $12.95. There is really a lot of information in here, and it can help any person who is brand new to affiliate marketing or just struggling and wants to get better results. So before we get into this members area access, I want to first take you to my bonus page, which is going to stay up for a few more days, 4 days and 14 hours as I'm doing this. And ATM Profits is a done-for-you commission generating profit system that makes them $29.73 in 60 seconds on autopilot. Doesn't matter what your tech skills or your experience is. So it is an unbreakable blueprint for taking you from scratch to profit. Our winning done-for-you tools and resources you can just download and replicate for maximum success. Powerful training sources for unlimited buyers. You can just plug in and play. Full case study you can copy showing the results in real time. And the cool thing about ATM Profits is they show you free ways that you can get traffic and you can get sales. Also, if you want to put some money into it as well, just like with most businesses, if you put some more money in, you can get some more money out. So before we get into all of the upsells and all of the bonuses, I'll take you to the members area. So here it is, guys. And in the beginning here, we just got the dashboard. We have their Facebook group that you can join. We've got the logout, of course. So here is the members area. Let's crush it. Module 1 is just talking, welcoming you there, quick orientation, and a bit of a case study on how they made $12,000 plus in 30 days using other people's products. They're inviting you to Cynthia Benitez's her webinar here, so you will get more. This is like a on top of service if you want. You're not obligated to purchase it, but she will go into a lot of detail showing how they were able to do this. All right, so you can register for your advanced training call after you watch this if you wish. Also, guys, the quick mindset check. So this is John Newman just talking about when you want to make money online, what kind of mindset you need to have, especially if you have a full-time job, how you need to really be disciplined and consistent. All right, so he's just kind of reiterating those facts in here. The main training, there's quite a lot, which was really cool. So there's an overview, there's a case study showing the actual financial proof that they are getting these results. First one is setting up your autoresponder. So they're using Aweber. They're going to show you how you can do that. Done for you funnel. So they use ClickFunnels in their approach, in their campaigns. They show you how to set up ClickFunnels. Now, if you are new or you just don't really have the funds, for example, ClickFunnels is a little bit expensive. So they show you a different way that you can do it for free with their autoresponder. They show you step by step, which I really liked in this as well. Picking your offers. So this is just they're gonna take you through to Muncheye and Warrior Plus, and you will be able to gauge which offers are right for you, which ones have more chance for you to make some commissions, how you go about getting your link approved. Next one, guys, is the email follow-up. So This is really important, and this is something that I want to learn more about myself. So I did watch this and I got some information, and I know you'll get some benefit from it as well. Now, once you're running the traffic, so this is how you can, in this module, it will show you how to run traffic and how, if you want to be putting some money in, how you can potentially be getting more money out as a result. So he shows you all the ways and the different people that are in here that can help you, and he guides you, gives you some advice on what to look out for and maybe what to try to avoid. And guys, tracking the traffic. So this isn't necessary, but actually John does use it. He feels, in fact, it is quite necessary for him. So he does advise that you pick this little piece up. If you are going to be running traffic, this is how you can track which traffic is working well, which vendors that you're buying from are working well, and which ones you maybe want to use less. Okay, email broadcast, so how to just pepper broad emails to your email list, and keeping your list clean. So the people that are not engaging anymore, it just shows you how you can get rid of that. Keep your email list highly engaged. And then he's got a done for you product here as well. And the conclusion and the next steps, the bonuses are all going to be in here. So we have commission secrets, we have OLSP traffic domination group, supreme paydays, profit force, buyers list bonanza reloaded, 5,000 a month from home, live training, free targeted autopilot traffic software app as well. Here are John and Cynthia. You can also get the free book with expert secrets and limited, free book, limited copies, watch video, weird marketing experiments that increase traffic conversions and sales online. Digital website. So if you want a new website, you can just click here and you could get that going with ClickFunnels like so, and learn about traffic for free and exclusive free training call here. So I'll just click on those and show you those. So we have a video here. All right, so I'm gonna let you watch that. Once you purchase it, you can get these traffic secrets, if you will, okay? And then the exclusive free live training right there. All right, now I want to take you to my bonus page and show you the complimentary bonuses that I think you're going to really like, that will help you make profits as well. So this is Profit Launcher, the front end. This is a product that I made with my partner Suleik. This is all about launch jacking, and we try to show our audience how you can make consistent money for free without having to pay any monthly fees. And I think we've done a fantastic job. There's tons of information in here, and I think you're going to get benefit from that. Also, to complement John and Cynthia's methods for building your email, this is another very simple system that they didn't include, but how you can really build up your email quite easily with this bonus that I've created for you. Another one is the Profit Ranker. This is going to show you how you can rank at the top of YouTube. There's a lot of little hacks in here that help you work with the algorithm, get the algorithm pumping up your videos. And if you don't want to make any videos with your face on it, that's okay. All the training is inside here and in the front end of Profit Launcher as well. And guys, this is Google extension from my friends from Team Alpha, Bill, Angsorb, Gopal, and Sid Red. This is an extension for Twitter, and you can blast out multiple messages, campaigns, products, any kinds of information that you want your audience to know on autopilot. So it's very powerful. And guys, my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free. That's right. And of course, the vendor bonuses from John and Cynthia. So to get all of these, guys, you're just going to want to click on this orange button. It's going to take you to the sales page with a similar orange button like that. You will click on that, and then you will just click on this blue button here to access inside Warrior Plus to access your bonuses. And that is where you'll be taken to this page like so, and you'll be able to collect all of these bonuses for you to use, to give away, and whatever you feel like you want to do. I want to take you to the sales page here. So you already know this, the commission generating profit machine. It is proven evergreen method for banking big profits fast, 100% beginner friendly, fully automated, totally done for you. Bulletproof, scalable, proven system for making commissions from scratch on autopilot. Again, just to get into Warrior Plus, click on any of these buttons, but just do it through here to get all of my bonuses as well. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna skim you down. A lot of financial proof in this sales page. Here's some from John, here's some from Cynthia, some more here. So some great numbers here by John, some great numbers by Cynthia as well. So these guys are giving proof that they know what they're talking about. So it's talking about quitting your 9-to-5 job if you don't like it and how you can make money online. So I'm gonna just scoot you down here. Profitable commissions, strategies, you know that basically. You can check this out more on your own time as well. Okay, so here's a sneak peek. You're gonna get the ATM Profits Blueprint, exclusive done for you profit resources, ultimate traffic system, easy money case study, and of course we have some testimonials. There's my man Bill Eng, one of my mentors, great guy. Here's Brian Alcock, another awesome guy I consider a friend as well. And guys, here are the bonuses: commission secrets, OLSP, Traffic Dominion, Supreme Paydays, Profit Force, Buyers List Bonanza, Reloaded. You already saw that in the members area. They're waiting for you. Let's go to the price and the upsells. All right, so here's the funnel. The front end is $12.95. Upgrade number 1 is $27. Upgrade 2, $37. Upgrade 3, $197. Upgrade 4, $47. Upgrade 5, $9.97. Now, when we click in these links here, I've put the links to the sales pages, the OTO sale pages inside my bonus. You can just check it out in the description down below. There are going to be some discounts in here. Okay, so the front end ATM Profits will show you and your customers how they can build their own autopilot ATM profit machine, plus all of their bonuses, all of my bonuses, etc. OTO 1 ATM Profits, the upsell of 27, downsell of 17, unlock advanced training strategies and insider secrets to earn even more money. So guys, you can check these out on your own. I'll just show you OTO 1 here quickly. So you're 30 seconds away from scaling to $500 plus paydays. Explode your profits faster. Unlock tried and tested winning tactics. Unlock the hidden secret success. No monthly fees. Bonus fast track formula. Again, I'll just scoot you down and you can check all of these out. This is going to be in my description, in my bonus page, and you're going to get more bonuses. You're going to get the case study 1, case study 2, and a super bonus, all of my previous products. Very nice. Okay, so save $148 today, only $37. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to let you just scoot down on your own time and check these out. Now, number 2, ATM Profits done for you, 37 downsell, 27. They will get done for you bonus pages every week for 365 days, plus one-time funnel, plus email swipes. But you will need to have Commission Gorilla and ClickFunnels. So, like I said, ClickFunnels is a little bit expensive. It's about $97 minimum a month. Commission Gorilla isn't bad. It's great, actually. I use it. It's about $24 a year. And in Profit Launcher, I've created a free done-for-you bonus page creator. That's one of the things that I wanted to give the audience who was trying to do everything for free. So you could always try that out. And then if you like Commission Gorilla, we have the link down below to give you half price in Commission Gorilla in my Profit Launcher bonus if you want. Steal our traffic, 197, downsell 97. Put your pixel on my sales page for the next 12 months and build up a huge audience a proven buyer. So you'll be able to really build your email list quickly and get some sales as well by doing OTO3. OTO4, quadruple reseller license, rights 47, downsell of 27. Again, the links are going to be here. Sell ATM Profits as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions. And also you're going to get 3 other previous products too. You're going to get Commission Secrets, Supreme Paydays, and Profit Force. Quadruple reseller rights comes with guaranteed approval to promote, ideal for newbies. So you'll be getting 4 of their products. You'll be getting 100% of the funnel. And number 5, the super affiliate method at $9.97. Join the beta tester group for our coaching and mentoring program. Limited to 20 people only. And guys, there is a sale. If you click on that, I think it's about $5.97. So I'll let you play around with that. So I like the done for you. This one here, the done for you. If you don't want to have to deal with it, get the downsell, in my opinion. You're going to have that running. You're going to be building up your email list and getting some sales along the way without having to do any of the heavy lifting. All right. And guys, this one looks really cool too. Get the downsell of 27. You'll be getting 4 of their products and you can make 100% on the whole funnel. So those are my 2 recommendations. If you do want to get into the creating your own product and working with these mentors, then consider this one. It is not $9.97. If I just take you to the OTO5, there'll be a drop down box in just a moment. Where is it now? All right, maybe. Okay, I thought there was, so I'll let you try. I really thought there was one, so maybe there isn't. Geez, there it is. Okay, so you can get it now for just $5.97. All right, so not $9.97, $5.97. So you can get mentored by Cynthia and John, and they can give you some of the results that they are getting themselves. All right, so that one is also very, very intriguing, possibly worth it if you want to really start building your knowledge, building that bank account. Okay. All right, you guys, and just to summarize right now, so again, the proven evergreen method, 100% beginner friendly, fully automated, one-time setup, done for you, bulletproof, scalable, proven system, and guys, all of my bonuses as well, like so. My mega bonus bundle, their bonuses, and like I said, this goes live at 9 o'clock on Wednesday, December 14th. 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. And I told you, if you do decide to get it through my link, I have an extra bonus for you. I will be sending you a thank you email. All you have to do is just whitelist my email. I show you step by step how to do it. And this bonus gave me a lot of value, and I know you will get a lot of value from it as well. All right, my friends, that wraps up my review of ATM Profits. Please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions about it. I'll try my best to help you out. I'm in contact with John, so if you want to learn something specific about it, you can let me know and I can forward it to him. And guys, subscribe to my channel so you're going to be updated on my new product reviews, also other ways to make money online. Thanks again, you guys. I really appreciate your time. Best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon.